Dear friends, now I am going to dictate the elaboration dictation of Tamil Nadu government's examination paper, that is May 1974. This it contains 4 questions of 4 minutes speed. It is. Please concentrate. Number 1. Principal Saraswati Technical Institute, Coimbatore requests manager Office Equipment Company, Armenian Street, Madras to supply latest books on typewriting, shorthand, accountancy, banking. Also requests supply of 2000 shorthand notebooks in good quality paper and 2 dozen Pitman's phono pen. Draft letter mentioning therein that the consignment may be sent by VPP within a week. Also tell the firm that there are good prospectus for the sale of their latest publications in the district, and the institute will be willing to be appointed as agents for the publications handled by them if attractive terms can be offered by them. Number 2. Draft circular letter from the Director of Collegiate Education to all principals of colleges, drawing their attention to frequent complaints from parents that huge sums are demanded from them as donations at the time of admission of the students. Advise the principals that such a practice was not desirable and ask them to give it up. Also warn them that if they persisted in the practice, severe action would be taken against erring managements. Express the hope that the circular will be respected and they would avoid room for such complaints in future. Number 3. Traffic Manager, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, Bangalore invites sealed tenders for agency for advertising on the buses and premises of the corporation for 5 years. Tender forms and other particulars to be obtained from his office on any working day during office hours on payment of rupees 25, which will not be refunded by crossed postal order. Last date for receipt of tender 4 p.m. on 11th May 1974. Tenders will be opened in the presence of tenderers on 12th May 1974 in the premises of the corporation at 11 Gandhi Avenue, Bangalore. Draft tender notice. Number 4. Draft an advertisement to be published in newspapers calling for applications from qualified nurses to serve in Garden Hospital, Bombay. Candidates must possess a diploma in nursing and be below 30 years. Good health and pleasing personality essential. Must sign contract for 5 years service. Free accommodation and other benefits. Salary according to qualification, experience. Must be prepared to join duty at short notice. Applications with copies of testimonials duly attested with a recently taken passport size photograph to be sent to Dean, Garden Hospital, 24 Gandhi Road, Bombay, on or before 4th May 1974.